Start building a faith that is stronger than fear. Here's the reality. You cannot completely remove fear from your life. There will always be uncertainty, challenges, and even situations that you cannot control. But the goal is not to eliminate fear, but it is to build something stronger than it, and that is your faith. And if you're honest right now, your faith feels weak, not because God is absent, but because you have not been feeding it. You are more updated with bad news than you are with God's word. You know what's happening in the world, but you don't know what God has already promised. You spend more time listening to people fear than listening to the truth, and then you wonder why your mindset is unstable. You know what? That's not a mystery. That's a result. Faith does not grow accidentally. It grows intentionally.